It's me, Señorita Melbae.
Hi Langgings! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are here in the Queen City of the South, Cebu City! So, di ami karon sa Sugbo, kay dari ang among jump off place, paingon sa among trip to Camiguin. So, we book our stay here in Appleton Hotel, Boutique Hotel, through Agoda. So, mas nakasave me. Like, kay kung i-book mo siya walk-in or dili ka mismo sa hotel, it will cost you 2,500. Pero through Agoda, nakuha na mo siya in 1,325 pesos. So, Langgings, let me give you a quick tour or what to expect when you book here in Appleton Boutique Hotel. Here in, located din siya sa Lapu-Lapu, near sa airport. So, we choose this place kay mas accessible para sa among flight later this afternoon. So, join me as I give you a tour. Langgings, this is our room. Deluxe Twin Bed ni among gikuha nga room. My friend here, busy kag impake sa iyang things. Say hi! Hi vlog! So, air condition. And, nasa closet dere. And, nasa mirror. O, diba? Crop top pa more. And a TV. And, napod siya mini bar dere. So, rep. Small French. So, pwede kayo ka makuha rin ng ging. Bayad lang kapag kahuman. And, I'll take you to the bathroom. Oh, medyo nagamit na niya siya na mo, ha? Okay. Early pa may ay pag-check-in ako gabi is ngipit na bi, so maot na kuha all footage. So, what you can see here is a hot and cold shower. So, naa siya rin sink. And, what I love about here is na eye blower. So, dili ka basa, Langgi. Dili basa yung buhok. And, of course, the bowl. And nasa spring na toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay, that's all. So, elevator ride. Okay, mag-kwento ko na may last minute shopping before our trip. Char!
A few moments later.
Hi Langgings! So, we're here now in the outlet. So, kaning nga lugar no is near siya po sa mga na hotel, like 3 to 5 minutes walk from our hotel. So, ari mi diri kay mangita mi or mag last minute shopping mi para sa among trip. Char! Joke lang! Di kay gahapon na basa mi sa pagnaog na sa barge ikan Toledo. O, basa kayo mo shoes. So, mangita na lang yung shoes kay wapa dyan na uga. Para namin masulog para sa mong flight later. back in our room. So I got my shoes. So mo to siya tawag dyan na last minute shopping. Kaya nakapili guro ko din 5 minutes. And now we are here sa reception area. Waiting for our Grab taxi bound to Mactan International Airport for our flight. So, that's all for today's vlog. This has been Señorita Melbae saying, do what makes you happy, because happiness is always a choice. Bye!